starting the morning on a slow mode. This is Saturday morning and the weather is good. The weather is actually good today, and I intend going out. Whew. Coffee vest to boost my energy. So I'm going to Spot Direct. Actually, I just need to pick something and see what's going on at the town center. I really don't have that energy this morning to do so much, and I don't want to be out for long. Today they're having like what do they call it, a march, like a walk for the LGBTQ people, and I don't want to be in that space. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to see so that I will not see. So judge not, so you shall not be judged. So yeah, I will not be staying outside for too long. Yeah, and then when I come back, I have something to tell you guys. My energy would have been on 100 by then. I'll see you outside. Chef and would not enter books. But here I am. Here I am inside books. Let me quickly grab cotton pad. This one is on. I think this is so that you will not press. You will not press the fragrance finish. Okay, this is a good innovation. I'm not buying it.
This afternoon, I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in drive, I be drive, I be drive, I be put it in drive, I be drive, I be drive, I be put it in drive. Out here in the field, oh yeah, I'm already yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the coast, I want up for sure. You said take a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the grandpa, said you never been before. Put you in before the door, girl, I made you meet him all.
Okay, hi guys. I'm sure you're wondering that little cheeky dance. It's a good time to tell you guys that I'm starting my business, my first ever business. No, this is not my first business in the UK actually. I think I tried to do something in 2023. Yeah, I was making shawarma. Yeah, I tried to do shawarma business in 2023, but the turnover was not really what I was expected. So this is like my first official business in the UK, and I'm super excited to let you guys know that Ready to Wear by Hydee is launching. Yay! So I just got my shipment now, and I'm going to be showing you guys some of the stuff that I have. So I'll drop my Instagram handle on the screen now. Do make sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. You'll see when I upload new outfits, and then other informations will be going on there as well. Tell your friends, tell your family members that are in the UK. You don't have to buy everything from Nigeria. You can buy from me. Very affordable, quality material, 100% cotton material. Yeah. So if you have friends in the UK and you're looking for what to gift them, it's their birthday, their wedding anniversary, and sure to patronize me. Anyways, let's see what we've got. I don't think I can show you everything. I still have like 3 boxes. So let me just give you like a sneak peek. First thing first, let me show you what the packaging will look like. I made sure that I don't have to spend extra on courier bags, so I got this one made. RTW by Hydee, Ready to Wear by Hydee, and then my phone number is there, and then my Instagram handle is there. So this is like another form of publicity if you feel me, and then it just comes sealed, no extra stress and everything. So yeah, where do I start from? So I've got like, there's short, there's 2-piece, there is short boo-boo, there is long boo-boo. In fact, everything. Everything. And then we've got nice caps. Oh my god, these caps are looking so gorgeous. Look. Let me see if I can try one on. Even when you don't make your hair, when you have like a bad hair day, you can just see. I really like this one, and it comes in this color, so many other colors as well. so many. Let me know if you're interested in anyone in the comment section. So that's with the cap. We've got like this luxury headband. I really like this headband. I mean, you can rock it with your wavy hair, your coily hair, or your natural hair. I'm not seeing the camera, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm seeing the camera, so I don't know what I'm doing, if it's fine. Yeah, and this is available in green. These stones, they will not come off. Everything they will never ever come off. Got pink, brown, black, gray. Every color that you want is there. So let's move to the cocoa of the cocoa. We have shirts. I'm already saying we have. It's going to be a multinational business soon. It's going to be a global business soon. So this shirt, like, I love it. Look. How do I look? Got different patterns. Got the white and black with a touch of orange. Summer vibes. Summer is summering already. So many colors and patterns. Oh, this is gorgeous. And they're available in different sizes. They're available in all sizes that you can think of. And then I've got 2-piece outfit for church, for outing. This is 2-piece. When I'll wear it on my Instagram so you can see how it looks like. And this is a mixed match. This is what the pants looks like. And that's what the pant looks like. Comes in different colors. That's purple. This is pink. One thing I'm trying not to do is I'm not trying to like create ashwabi for everybody. So I'll be using variety of colors, variety of patterns. So you don't end up twinning with your enemy if you don't want to. This pink pant is giving. See. So we have them in size 12, size 14, size 16, and then if you are on the petite side and you want like smaller size, you can let me know. This is also more of the same. I think no. So this is Boo Boo. Is it actually good now? So look, and then this is what the back is given. I think you'll see the beauty when I wear it, like when I fit it. You see what it looks like. This is so gorgeous. It's 100% cotton, by the way, and this pattern also comes in different colors. This is another one. This is really, really gorgeous. If you are not wanting all those big extra large boo, I would say you should go for this one because it's straight. It has pocket as well. It has pockets and yeah. So as not to bore you, tell your friends, tell your family members that something is going on. Ready to wear by ID. I'll drop my Instagram and do my phone number if you want to order on WhatsApp. These are more caps. Okay, yeah, those are pattern caps. This is the plain one and it is gorgeous. Like you can buy the brown. This is black. There is pink. There is red. so many colors, so many colors. Yeah, and there's discount on every order above £50, so make sure you tell your friends and your family. We ship everywhere in the UK. We ship everywhere in the UK, so guys, patronize me. Tell your friends to patronize me. Yeah, I need to make content for all of this now, and probably go to the kitchen. I need to cook as well, and then yeah, get busy. I'll see you guys later. Good morning, guys. I'm really running late, and I just want to show you what I'm wearing quickly. Wearing this dress, but I'm not sure which wig to wear. Not sure whether to wear this one. I think this one needs tender love, okay, or this one, or that's my, can't find it. I don't know where that is. I don't know where it is, but I'm running late. I hate going late to church. I don't know why, but that's me. And for shoe, weather is really good, so I might just do like a sandal, or should I wear sneakers? I'm not sure now. So I'm still not sure. I'm wearing this Versace Rose. Wearing these rings. You should know the ring by now. They are One Nation rings. I don't like to rush. I think what delayed me this morning was I still made banana bread. I was still making banana bread this morning. I want my wristwatch. Let me just show you the full outfit when I'm ready, okay? I'm very ready to wear my Hydee. Make sure to patronize us. My wig, my One Nation wig, my jewelry, my sneakers. I'll show you full fit outside.